This is going to be awesome for everyone. Look at every stock individually. Look at the 8 pillars and then 8-pillar portfolio. You'll be able to input your portfolio of stocks and it'll tell you how they look all together in the 8 pillars overall. This is gonna be a great way for you to take your portfolio, put it in there, determine how your portfolio looks versus the 8 pillars. Do you get all 8 checks? Do you get 6 checks? Things like that. This is part of the software that we're making better and better. And this wasn't supposed to be part of the software for another 6 months. I was able to get it done sooner. So you're getting more next Thursday than you would have, but next Thursday, the price goes from $18 to $22 immediately. Next Thursday, 18 to 22. So you have to decide for yourself. And that's on its way to 49 at some point in the future. So decide for yourself right now. Do I want to pay $18 now to have something in the future that I'm going to want and need and get the Discord community and all 1,800 people all talking to each other about investing? Or do I want to be penny wise and dollar dumb and ignore the $18 and then regret it later when everybody else is paying 18 and you're now paying 40 because you finally realize, oh my God, I do need this software. Go sign up. The only way to get the software is to join our Patreon. You'll be able to be in Discord with our like-minded investors. I plug the crap out of this thing because we're giving away Teslas. I had a March Madness bracket. No entry fee. 4 people got $2,000, $1,000, $500, and $250 just by playing a stupid game that I love doing because I like giving back to everybody. Everybody in the top level tier, they just got 2 Yetis, a big one, a 20 ounce and a 10 ounce Yeti for free. I just like, you know what, guys? Thanks for supporting us. Here are the Everything Money Yetis. This is so worth it. And you get discounts on all of our Crossroads Group products, not merch, products. Do you want a vanity, a light fixture, a vacation home in Mexico? All these things you get a discount by being a Patreon. These can all pay for themselves very quickly. Do not be foolish. Go sign up now.